Hi there, let me teach you how to answer the question uvela ngaphi in Ndebele. So uvela ngaphi means where are you coming from? And the way you're going to answer it is ngivela e or ngivela ko. You're going to start with ngivela. Okay, I'm coming from. So I taught you some words in the previous lesson. Let's practice answering the question uvela ngaphi using them. You want to say I'm coming from school? What is it going to become? Ngivela esikolo. Okay. What about I'm coming from town? Ngivela edolobheni, isn't it? Right. So now let me teach you more new words so that you're able to answer, to have more options to answer the question uvela ngaphi. All right. So this is a store and we call it isitolo. So if you wanted to say I'm coming from the shops, from the stores, you would say ngivela ezitolo. Okay, one shop is isitolo and many of them we call them izitolo. Umsebenzi is what we call work. So if you wanted to say I'm coming from work, you would be like ngivela emsebenzini. All right. And then we have amasimu, which is fields. You want to say I'm coming from the fields? Ngivela emasimini. Is it making sense? All right. Do you remember the word for church? Ngivela esontweni is how you say I'm coming from church. Okay. How about I'm coming from the bar? Ngivela ebawa. All right. Ngivela ebawa. Is it making sense so far? Let me know in the comments ukuthi uvela ngaphi. Where are you coming from? All right. And I'll see you next time. Bye.